Look at him, sat on his arse. He's not going fast. Oh my god. I can feel, I'm getting older, I can feel it. Go fast. Come on now. Come on, Zane. Come on, Zane. Go, 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 go. Woo! Yeah! Faster go. Again. So this is a folding saw, obviously. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. That's not a good idea, is it? And then what we're going to do, we found some pieces that are cut off and just lying, I suppose, to create a bit of a habitat for the wildlife and stuff. And we're not going to take all of it, but what we'll do is take enough to make a couple of spoons. And then this can be a bit of a project for Zane and I at the weekends. There's my folding saw. Good job, all the way back. How was that? Look at the gap we've got to get out of. Ugh. Well done.